So the NodaFi mobile application is great for getting work done on the go, pulling up relevant information, but you also want to have a clean, easy to use web experience for when you're at your computer and want to get an overall picture of how your facility operation is doing. So what I have showing here is the NodaFi web application, and specifically we're on the work order calendar page. So as you can see, there's a lot of the same information that you saw on the mobile application. I can see this particular work order, the work that needs to be done on it. I can assign a priority to it, a different team member, and asset vendor information as well. For this one in particular, if I jump in here, I'll see that it's set to a schedule, specifically a monthly schedule. And what this means is we can set up schedules for particular tasks that need to be performed. And again, I can do this at a weekly cadence, a monthly cadence, whatever cadence is necessary for that particular item. And when this task is actually completed, so servicing the cabinet unit heater every month, the next one in the sequence will automatically be generated. So if I jump over here now to the next month, we'll see in March that ticket or work order was automatically created for servicing cabinet unit heater 1. It's due on March 1st. And really the only time I need to be concerned about items is when they're coming up or when they're overdue. So I can jump and kind of slice and dice that information here on the filters. So let's look at everything that's urgent priority, assigned to me, and pull up a report on that. So all of these, I have a couple urgent ones. It looks like, fortunately, they're not overdue, but these are things that I can pay attention to and get that kind of clean view. And at an even higher level, once you kind of have a sense of your operation, taking care of the day-to-day tasks, you want to know, diving into some analytics. Some of the important statistics that are measured and automatically recorded for you are things like how much reactive work are we doing versus how much planned work. Obviously, you want to keep the amount of planned work higher, keep that ratio up so that most of the stuff you're accounting for in advance. You can look at completion percentages, quickly jump in and from an asset perspective, kind of see how much money am I spending on a particular piece of equipment. Is it pertinent that I maybe replace this rather than continue to spend this amount of money, looking at replacement asset value. So this is where you can see serious cost savings by analyzing the data coming in. And I can break this down too of, individual, how much work is being done, costs across my facility, things, the amount of time I'm spending. I can also jump in and get a real-time look as well. So what's the current open work orders across my facilities? What is the current open work orders across my teams? And also looking at, status priority, the number of overdue things at different locations. So all of this information is going to be generated for you and kind of kept up to date in real time so that at a bird's eye view, you can see what's going on and you can make informed decisions about your facility operation and help you save on costs as well.